Arcfra provides host maintenance mode in multiple scenarios. It is recommended to use maintenance mode to improve operation and maintenance efficiency. When upgrading server firmware, OS kernel, etc. When replacing hardware other than physical disks, such as memory, NICs, CPUs, and storage controllers. When removing a host from a cluster. This is the maintenance process for clusters with the Arcfra virtualization platform. Let's start the demonstration. First, we need to deploy some virtual machines and simulate running business I/O workloads on them. Select the current server node and click to enter the host maintenance mode. Before entering maintenance mode, the system performs a pre-check and only allows the host to enter maintenance mode when the status of the cluster and host meet the requirements. The host is now in maintenance mode. The system automatically initiates virtual machine migration. During the migration process, the business continues without interruption and remains unaffected. Click on Task Details to view the virtual machine migration tasks. Once the migration tasks are confirmed as complete, the host enters maintenance mode. All existing virtual machines have been migrated to other available hosts. Users can now perform maintenance operations on this host, such as powering it down, restarting, and so on. In this demonstration, we use a cold boot as an example to simulate an end user completing host maintenance. After the server restarts, click to exit host maintenance mode and check the option Migrate Back VMs that were hot migrated. Click to exit maintenance mode. After exiting maintenance mode, you can choose to migrate back the virtual machines that were automatically migrated out before entering maintenance mode and power on the virtual machines that were automatically shut down. Thank you for watching.